From LA to the bubble, what? Lakers, greatness and shoot. King James Will is unstoppable. AD Will is unstoppable. Rondo Will is unstoppable. Caldwell Pope Will is unstoppable. Green Ranger Will is unstoppable. Morris Will is unstoppable. D. Howard Will is unstoppable. Kuzma Will is unstoppable. And rest of the Laker Nation and the team players will is unstoppable too. Frank Vogel and his coaching staff will is unstoppable. How is it that Coach Frank Vogel, first year with the team, take the team to the championship, while all these other coaches make excuses? Talking about, man, it's my first year. I gotta get to know the players. The players are not listening to me. The players wanna do what they wanna do. How is it that AD and Morris come to the team and about to get a ring? Ed Cook, about to get another ring. But how is it that AD, D. Howard comes back, and Morris about to get a ring? Oh wait, 1 Team 17, baby. It's going down, baby, on Fun Day Friday. 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 20 twin, baby. On Fun Day Friday, baby. It's going down, baby. It's going down, baby. On Fun Day Friday. What?